Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove a Samsung account in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now here in accounts and backup, click on manage accounts and then here tap on Samsung account to remove. Now here click on remove account and then again click on remove account from the pop-up to confirm. So when you will click on remove account option here, it will remove your Samsung account from your mobile. So that's how you can remove a Samsung account in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.